In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Excel file from HubSpot CRM. First, open your browser and head to the HubSpot login page. Sign into your account the way you normally do. If your organization uses Google for authentication, click Sign in with Google, then choose the correct Google account when prompted. If you see a consent screen, just confirm to continue. Once you're in, you'll land on your HubSpot portal. Next, let's navigate to the data you want to export. In this example, we'll export contacts. From the main navigation, go to CRM, then select Contacts. This takes you to the Contacts Index page where you can see your lists and views. Before exporting, it's a good idea to choose the exact list or filtered view you want. Exporting only what you need keeps your file cleaner and faster to process. Look toward the top right of the Contacts page for the Export button and click it. This opens a dialog where you'll configure your export. Take a moment here because your choices determine what ends up in your spreadsheet. In the dialog, select your file format. If you want a true Excel file, choose the XLSX option. CSV is also available and works well if you plan to use the data in other tools, but XLSX opens directly in Excel with formatting intact. Next, decide which properties to include. You can export all properties, but selecting only the fields you need, like name, email, phone, lifecycle stage, and owner, keeps the file manageable and easier to analyze. If you're exporting a specific view, confirm that the filters match what you expect. Some portals also let you include related records or notes. Include those only if they're necessary for your workflow. When your settings look right, click Export to start the process. HubSpot will begin preparing the file in the background. Watch for a notification that says the export is done. Click that notification to download the file. If your export is large, HubSpot may also send you an email with a download link. Either way, save the file somewhere you'll remember. After the download completes, open the XLSX in Excel to verify the columns and spot check a few rows. If you exported a CSV, open it in Excel and confirm the delimiter and encoding look correct. Keep in mind that you'll need the appropriate permissions in HubSpot to export data, and always handle contact information securely according to your organization's policies. That's it. You've successfully exported an Excel file from HubSpot CRM, tailored to the exact data you need.